Today, we present the E2 error in air conditioning. Let's begin by saying that the E2 error occurs when the indoor ambient temperature sensor or freezing temperature sensor is not functioning correctly. Now, let's start with the basic definitions. What is the temperature sensor? The temperature sensor is a device that measures the room's air temperature or evaporator temperature, depending on the type of sensor. It is located in the indoor unit of the air conditioner. The temperature sensor is an electrical resistance that receives electrical current from the card or control board. The electrical resistance of the sensor changes when the temperature changes, causing a voltage change in the electrical current supplied by the electronic board. This voltage change is detected by the card or electronic board. The sensor sends this signal to the card or electronic board. The card or electronic board uses this information to adjust the cooling or heating power. To troubleshoot the issue causing the E2 error, follow these steps. 1. Use a multimeter to check the resistance of the temperature sensor. Use the kilohm scale and with the sensor disconnected, verify that the resistance value is never zero or infinite. When you touch the sensor with your hand, the indicated resistance should decrease. The sensor can be damaged by a blow, a fall, or an electrical overload. It can also wear out over time. 2. With the multimeter, but now in the direct current voltage scale, while the sensor is connected, check the voltage supply. The indicated value should be close to 2.5 volts. 3. Check for loose or damaged connections of the temperature sensor. If the connection is loose or damaged, it can cause a communication problem between the sensor and the electronic board. 4. Check for a damaged electronic board. In very rare cases, the E2 error can be caused by a damaged electronic board. The electronic board controls the operation of the air conditioner. If the board is damaged, it can cause problems with the indoor ambient temperature sensor. To solve this problem, you will need to replace the electronic board. Additionally, you can take the following actions to resolve the E2 error. A. Check the air filter. A clogged air filter can interfere with the operation of the indoor ambient temperature sensor. B. Restart the equipment. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve the problem. C. Consult the user manual. The user manual can provide you with more information on how to fix the E2 error. Some brands whose error E2 corresponds to the temperature sensor are General Electric Window and Mini Split, Haier, Fujitsu. Some brands whose error E2 corresponds to antifreeze protection, likely related to the temperature sensor for antifreeze, are Gree, Electrolux, Kelvinator, Train. Some brands whose error E2 corresponds to zero crossing signal detection, related to issues with the defrost sensor, are Bosch, Daewoo, Westinghouse. Some brands whose error E2 corresponds to communication between indoor and outdoor units are Carrier, Midea Inverter Air Conditioner, Model HRDN.